All right, guys. My Lexus ES 330 2004. The back window can no longer roll up or down. I noticed that this stuff has already disconnected from the machine inside, so it's no longer pushing, and the more I do it, it's actually going to break this glass. So I'm going to try to fix it. I've tried to search on YouTube, but I couldn't find any video, so I just decided to do it myself. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Hopefully you can fix yours yourself without spending too much. So first of all, to lose this, you have to start from here. So I have to take this out. Okay? This can be a bit tricky to bring out. So right. So this is out. Screwdriver fell, so it's a bit dirty. Okay, take this one out, drop it there. Now this is the tricky part, because you just can't pull this out like this. There are about two clips holding it down here, so you have to slowly pull it out. Hold on. So you lift it up and take it off. You have to be careful, because here you have two clip holding it, so you have to remove this. Take it out. Sorry, cut it. Take it out. Also have what's it called here? Also have what do you say? So just going to remove this. Yeah. Keep it out here. This also. Alright. So now you have this. So here, this is where the problem is. The glass fell out. So this is what is holding it. Alright. Okay. Trying to bring out alright. So this is what fell out. And this is the main thing you have to work on to fix here. So you have to get this into this here, so it can hold, and this can be a bit tricky. You have to get this to fit in like this. It's actually quite easy to do, but it can actually be very difficult if it's not lubricated. So I have to lubricate this. Alright, I have to find a way to lubricate it. This one. Alright, that's too much. That's a bit much. Alright, so you have to find a way to get this in here, like so. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Like so. So it can move freely. So if it moves freely, you have problem 1 solved. So problem 2 is getting this into the glass, and this can be the hassle, because you have to position it properly, and it can actually be very difficult to actually moving. So this is where the real problem is. So I'm gonna try to do that. Okay. All right, so getting this to fit into the fold is the main thing. It has to fit in bits. You have to use strengths here, like fit in there. Okay. All right, so let's test it. All right. Okay, you can see. So So there you have it. Okay. Went all the way up and back down. So there you have it, how to fix it on the Lexus.